In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use custom crosshair in Fortnite PlayStation 5 and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the options related to your crosshair in Fortnite. As you might be aware, on PC, most people and pros like to use external programs like Crosshair V2 and Crosshair X. This gives you a crosshair that you can customize outside of Fortnite, because if you go inside of the settings in-game and you go to game UI and you try to follow the same steps here, but on a PlayStation console instead, you will notice that regardless of the platform that you are on, there won't be any settings related to the reticle. Of course, you can change the damage numbers, but this doesn't allow you to change the color, change the size, and manage the crosshair. Sadly, the truth is that the answer to the question in the title of this video is that using custom crosshair in Fortnite if you are playing on a PlayStation console is basically impossible, because external programs like Crosshair V2 or Crosshair X are not available on consoles. You cannot simply use these programs. The only option that you have to have a custom crosshair is to enable the crosshair option if your specific monitor has it. So a lot of gaming monitors actually have a custom crosshair. Usually you will enable it by pressing a specific button or using the joystick on your gaming monitor. And when you enable that crosshair, it is always going to appear even when you are inside of a match. However, if you are playing Fortnite and you don't have a gaming monitor on a PlayStation or Xbox console, then there isn't anything that you can do unless the devs add the option to manage your crosshair or your reticle. Here, you will not be able to change it easily and use a custom one on consoles. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that accessing custom options for crosshairs in Fortnite can only be done primarily on a PC. On consoles, you will have to enable the crosshair option on your gaming monitor if it has the option available. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had on how to use custom crosshair in Fortnite PlayStation 5. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.